Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to cover with how can we reset mobile network setting. Guys, you want to reset guys your mobile network, so means how can you reset your mobile network setting in your Tecno phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to reset your mobile network, then guys scroll it. So friends scroll it and guys you can see guys your phone system setting. Friends tap here, guys click on guys your reset option. Guys click on reset setting and guys you can see your mobile data setting. So guys tap here to reset your mobile network. So guys after guys you can see confirm your pattern, use your device pattern to continue. So friends you will have to draw your pattern and guys don't worry, nothing will delete in your phone. Guys reset setting, tap here, then guys you can see network setting has been resetted and guys you can use guys your mobile network without any problem. Suppose guys you have any problem in your mobile network, so wait, don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number and send me in comment section guys. I will check, I will help you. That's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends. Before going, please go and like the video.